Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. We're gonna look at AMD today. Now this is a daily chart of AMD, and after a topping tail here that hinted of a top, you can see how it declined all the way here, and currently it's in a very bearish mode. Below the 20 MA, the 20 MA is declining, telling us that it's in the short term very bearish condition. So never neglect the signs that a candlestick gives. For example, dojis and small body, and then the topping tail tells us that bullish momentum has slowed down and the stock refuses to go higher, and that's why it declined. So currently the 20 MA has crossed below the 50 MA. It is a bearish cross and is declining, and it looks like the 50 MA is also declining as well. So support has already eroded. This was a very strong area of support, which is why it held here at the 50 MA for a long time. Then a big red candle, consolidation sideways and breakdown. Now this stock was a very nice bullish run up after the bullish cross. It had a 20 MA setup. You could buy the stock at the dip here as the doji forms, showing slowing bearish momentum, and then ride it higher, and of course the short breakout higher. Overall, after the stock broke above this downtrend line, it has gone up by quite a lot. Let me see by how much. Let's say here to the top here, about 100%, and that is something that is not that is unusual. That is a very powerful move up, and now a decline to here is well, not surprising after a big run up here, but it's still above the rising 200 MA. So this is short-term weaknesses in long-term strength. I think the next support area will be around here, and possibly the stock could drop to around this area. 60-minute chart shows that there is a lot of weaknesses since now even in the 60-minute chart there was a topping tail. We have a topping tail in the daily chart, and then the topping tail in the 60-minute chart. And these are very important lessons for us, that even in daily and 60-minute chart, candlestick patterns, bearish reversal candlestick patterns can often give hints of damage that can be done to a stock. You see the stock has declined to 156. The topping tail formed around 219. If we have taken the warning here, it could save quite a lot of pain. And then very large negative red bar after the topping tail shows the bears were in control, and then a bearish cross, break below consolidation, which can be a setup when you short the stock here, put the stop loss and ride it lower, and then it also break down below this consolidation, and things weren't so good after that. Here's another break below consolidation. Breaks below sideways trading can be bearish, and right now very bearish mode. Declining 20 MA, 50 MA and 200 tells of bearishness, so it's best not to long this stock unless it goes back above the 20 MA and 50 MA in the 60-minute chart. Now weekly wise, wow, let me just remove. Weekly wise, we also have a topping tail here. So 3 topping tails, daily, 60-minute, weekly. What more do you want to know? This weekly topping tail actually hint of bearish reversal, just like the bottoming tail here hint of more upwards movement. This topping tail hints of more bearishness. Well, you can see how when it broke above this downtrend line, it shot up all the way. Here, as they form a bullish cross in the weekly chart, we have a bottoming tail that hinted of a rise up. Here, a bottom tail hinted of a rise up. weekly charts here, it broke above a downtrend line, and this is where it starts a new uptrend. So currently it's still in a weekly uptrend, and this is a long-term support area for those who are investing. So this might be a very nice area for long-term investors to try and bottom fish this stock, because if this support holds, there's a possibility that it will form a bullish reversal pattern and maybe go up again. So monthly chart does show us this cup handle pattern, and we are still in a monthly uptrend. So this support is a very important long-term support area, and you might want to pay attention to it. So I hope that this simple analysis on AMD has helped you, and see you in the next one.